Hey, what's going on, everybody? You know who it is. It's JJ back at it like an addict, no rehab, because you know I'm addicted to giving you guys all this advice and information you're gonna need to get the call of your dreams open and to give you all overall advice. This day, you know, it's Wednesday. You know what comes with Wednesday. It's the Wednesday walk around. So, you know, we walking around all these vehicles. This vehicle is a 2018 Toyota Camry. They got it labeled as the L, but they got it labeled on the sticker wrong. It's actually SC, so you know they got that label wrong, so I'll have them tell them to fix it. But you know, back here at Bob Howard Dodge, I wanted to give a shout out to my buddy Taylor Cole. He's giving me the opportunity to check out all these vehicles and give you guys all these walk arounds, so shout out to him, appreciate him. And if you're looking for a good deal on the vehicle, just come to Bob Howard Dodge and see him. But yeah, let's do this walk around, man. You know, we already got the doors open, butterfly, air blowing cold. You know me, I'm biased to a Toyota. My first car was a Toyota. My first car I financed was a Toyota, a 2013 Toyota. So you know I'm biased to Toyota. And I actually had the same model, the SC model, but you know they upgraded the look since then. Mine was the 2013, so they done had a couple upgraded the look since I done had mine. But look at that. Who said Toyotas ain't got no style, man? Toyota, they upping the styles, man. Look at that. Toyota upping the style and upgraded on these Toyotas now, man. They got the stylish new look to go along with the reliability. Ain't nobody about to be messing with Toyota, man. Now we got the looks and the reliability. This is a SC model. You know, LE, it's the upgraded, it's the L and the LE. It's not too much difference between the L and the LE model. The L model is just like the base. They come with the regular, just manual seat. The LE, you just get the power seats. That's really the only big upgrade from an L to a LE. And you know, with the L, you get the hubcaps, but I don't think they still do hubcaps anymore on vehicles. But that's just, at the time when I was selling them, the L's came with the hubcaps. I don't think the L's come with any, or LEs come with hubcaps. But you know, when you get the SC, you get the upgraded, sportier looking look. You get the sportier wheels. Let's just close this, and you know, I'll let you guys know what you guys get. Close. Oh snaps! I'm gonna break my phone. But you know, the Toyota built quality's car. But you know, when you get that SC model, man, you get the upgraded wheels, so you get the nicer, sportier looking wheels. You know, you get the fog lights on there. You know, you get the upgraded, sportier looking look. You know, you get the little spoiler back there. You get the little spoiler to give it that sports look when you get the SC. You know, they come in the 4-cylinder and the V6. You know, for me, I always prefer the 4-cylinder, but get the V6 if you want a little bit more speed. But you know, they come with the leather, with the cloth interior, the sports type trim seats. You know, you get the powder shifters. You know, your auto lights. This one comes with the lane departure control, and also comes with the little thing, you know, right there, the signal when somebody's in front of you, so you brake and stuff. But yeah, man, this is a 2018 Toyota Camry SC, man. I have nothing bad to say about Toyota, man. When I first got into business, man, that's where I started at, Toyota. And I know Toyota's a great brand. I'll put Toyota over all the brands. I will pick a Toyota over all the brands, to me, honestly. You know, Toyota, when I was having, and then you know, Toyota, they offer great deals. I mean, you get great deals on the vehicles, and you get a reliable vehicle. You know, I had my car 5 years, and never had a major issue. You just had to do regular maintenance. You know, I mean, you bought a car, they offer you the 2 years, 25,000 miles of free maintenance. So you know, all your oil changes and tire rotation is covered for the first 2 years of 25,000 miles. I mean, you know, you can get interest rates. They usually always offering 0% on a Camry. They offer 0% on like the Camry, Corolla. Most of all the models, Toyota Financial usually offers 0%, and you get discounts and rebates and everything. So you get discounts, rebates, and 0%, and you get a vehicle, a great reliable vehicle that, you know, that doesn't require any maintenance like that. You know, Toyota, like, I'm a Toyota guy through and through, man. I mean, Toyota is, you know, that's the brand. Like I said, my first car, Toyota, finance the Toyota, I mean, you know, Toyota's just an overall great vehicle, like I said, you know. So if you're looking for a vehicle, I would suggest you go out there. You know, nothing's wrong with Honda, nothing's wrong with all the other brands. It's just, you know, Toyota offers better discounts than Honda, because Honda usually never really offers any discounts on their vehicles. I mean, they're both great with the reliability. Honda always had the better look, but you know, Toyota, you know, they catching up. You know, they catching up in the game on the looks. So, but if you're out there looking for a car, man, I suggest, you know, get your Toyota, man. They're great vehicles, last a long time. Maintenance cost is going to be very low. I like the Toyota, man. I might have to get me another one. I am gonna get me another one. I'll either want a Tacoma or a 4Runner. So that's what I'm really looking for in the next Toyota. But yeah, this is a 2018 Toyota, man. You know, nice and roomy. Man, you can't beat it, man. Nice and roomy. You know, room for the kids in the back. You know, a lot of trunk space. Let's pop the trunk. Let's show you that trunk space, man. Let's show you that trunk space. If you guys can see that, let's show you this trunk space, man. Look at that, all that trunk space, man. You know, pull that lever to let the seats down. I could break this car down to you guys through and through, because you know, I was a Toyota salesman, man. I was Toyota certified. You know, I can break a Toyota down through there for you through and through, but we're not gonna do that in this video. I just wanted to show you guys the walk around of the vehicle. I'll put the link to the description to this vehicle, and you know, the link to this specific vehicle in the description, so you guys can go check it out and see what you think about the price of the vehicle. And also, I always ask you guys, could you see yourself driving this vehicle? Me, I can see myself driving this vehicle because I already own one. Could you see yourself driving and riding in this vehicle? If you can, you know, let me know below. And if you haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe to the channel. This is just, you know, the Wednesday walk arounds, and we're gonna keep finding more vehicles and walking around vehicles and showing you guys vehicles that you guys may or may not be interested in. But you know, that's all I have for you guys in this video. I appreciate you guys. I'm out. Thank you.